In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to send a friend request or scan a QR code in the Squadbusters app. Now, all you need to do is you click in the bottom right corner on the friends option, where from here you can actually see your friends list. And if you want to add a friend, all you do is you click on the add friends option right here. Just click on add friend, and then you can either scan your friend's QR code like this, or you can actually show your QR code if you want someone else to scan yours. Or you can share the invite link just by clicking on share invite link under your name profile. And you can send this text message or email to anyone that you want to. And if you want to view invites, you just click on invites right here. And you can see your friends list is right here. And that's basically how you scan QR codes on the app. But if you don't want to do that way, you can just take a screenshot. And you can actually just go into the app. You can see I have a screenshot right here. Hold down on it and click on open in Brawl Stars or Squadbusters, depending on wherever this QR code's from. This one's from Brawl Stars, but it's the same way as Squadbusters.